Sreemangal, a small town in Bazar district, often called the tea capital of Bangladesh. Because of its rich cultural history and picturesque beauty, Sreemangal is always a favorite tourist destination. Hello everyone, this is Miraj. Welcome to another video. Today, we're gonna learn about Sreemangal. Although it's a small town, but because it offers so many unique experiences, we are compelled to make a whole video about it. So, let's get started. The distance from Dhaka to Srimangal is around 176 kilometers. You can go by bus, you can go by train. If you want to go by bus, I think it will take around 4 hours to get there. First, you have to go to Mohakali bus terminal, or you can go to Saidabad bus terminal and get a bus from there. If you want to go by train, then you can go to Kamlapur railway station. Also, the online tickets are available. Shohos.com is renowned apps to get the tickets. Srimangal is a rainforest area. Every year, the highest rainfall in Bangladesh is in Srimangal. So, from November to February, this is the best time to visit Srimangal. Srimangal is full of tea gardens. Among them, Nurjahan Tea Garden is famous for its beauty and authenticity. Once you get there, you may feel that you are in a world of green carpets. Next is Lawachara National Park. Located just 6 kilometers from the town, this park is a dream place for nature lovers. Combined with history and beauty, this is a must-go place for everyone. Just stepping into the park, you will be stunned by the view. Moving on, you may feel lost in the jungle. There is a railway track inside the park. In 1955, a famous Hollywood movie named Around the World in 80 Days was shot there. A local tribe called Khashia live inside this park. You can visit their homes and learn about their lifestyle. Madhabpur Lake is another top place to go, where you can get to see the amazing view of a man-made lake surrounded by a tea garden. You can walk along with the lake and enjoy some magical moments of your life. Also, you can go to Manipuri Para, where another local tribe called Manipuri lives. You can go to their village and talk to them. Also, you can buy their handmade products, which is very popular across the country. Then, taste the unique 7-color tea of Nilkantho Tea Cabin, which is also inside the Manipuri Para. How does it taste? Well, I have tried once, so it was quite okay. Some layers are good, some are not, but each layer tastes different. So, you can try for its unique experience. Also, you can go to rubber garden and see the rubber collecting process. There are only a few 5-star hotels in Bangladesh, and Srimangal have one of them, which is Grand Sultan Tea Resort. If money is not a problem for you, you can stay there. But if you are in a budget, then don't worry. There are so many resorts and hotels in Srimangal with low prices. I think within 2 days, you can complete your visit in Srimangal. It will cost around 100 to 150 USD if you are in a budget. So that's all for now. If you find this video informative, then you can like and subscribe to our channel. My Facebook link is in the description. And as always, I wish you safe travels in Bangladesh. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Miraj signing out.